Just a quick one, guys. It's finally arrived, and it is 11:30 in the morning. My Fanatec. There's the box, the DD Pro with all the stuff in there. I've ordered different pedals, the Pro pedals for the DD. I think, what is this one? Now these are the pedals, and this is something to do with the pedals, and this is the F1 wheel. I ordered an extra F1 wheel and a normal GT steering wheel, which is in the box here, and this is the quick release for the steering wheel. So because the F1 wheel is compatible with the Xbox, not the PlayStation, and the PC that's compatible with. But this is what it looks like when they deliver your package from Germany. Gran Turismo DD Pro, it says on the box there. Yeah, it's finally here. Lucy's anxious, aren't you, sweetheart? Hey, you want to go walkies? Yeah. You want to go to the park? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, right, I'm going to have a bit of time to set this up, and then I'll be online soon. Right, guys, I thought I'd show you. This is what it looks like, this Fanatec packaging, and I'll do an unboxing after. Catch you soon.